Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but I just sorted through all these wires and I'm getting to the point where I'm just wrapping things up. I'm using 3M friction tape. I like it versus the 3M wire electrical tape because this is sticky on both sides and it's just like a very low tack. It tacks to itself really. And it usually doesn't leave residue behind like this does. This leaves like a really gross residue behind, but this just leaves a very mild sticky feeling if you ever have to service anything. It's reusable if you're careful, and it's really decent. You probably see this stuff used on like hockey sticks and stuff. I like it. I use it from time to time. I don't use it on everything, like for my engine harness and stuff like that where I needed tape I'd use this, but I use this if I have like a temporary or a serviceable application. I went ahead and I sorted through all this wire harness. You can see my universal, I think it's 21 circuit. I really like it. Let's see if I can get you guys set back up here. Yeah, so I sorted through all the wires, pulled out anything that I might need later. This is going to be for power locks and stuff like that. Let's see, power windows comes from here. I forget what I use this for. I don't know. There's a schematic somewhere that I wrote everything down. But if I had a question about it, I pulled it out and I left it for serviceable stuff. I'm no expert. I'm learning this as I go along. And I mean, so far so good. I just double check everything and I test theories out. That's why I didn't wrap this harness, was because I just tossed things together and hope they work. And it actually did. You do your research. I disconnected my block. I have a block here. This is ground. Where's my power block? Power block's around here somewhere. Pretty messy. Oh, here's my power block. Everything I disconnected because I have to hook everything back up. Like this stuff. But as you can see, you know, I get in here, I start working, and it's usually just me by myself, so it's really hard for me to come in here and film. But got this guy on, I got this set up. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish wrapping this up and let you guys see how I work. I'm leaving a gap so I can see the wires, and there's no real reason to wrap this entirely because I'm probably gonna need to get back in here. I'm gonna need to look for things, things like junctions where I might need to reservice areas. This is a lot of the non-critical stuff too, like blinkers and stuff like that. I really like this stuff. It's cloth instead of plastic. So what we're doing now is we're tying up this harness. I'm using a Home Depot cable tie and a chassis nut and bolt. Alright. Just to secure this stuff, that's my blinkers and all that. This is extra. It's gonna hide under the carpet like this. None of these aren't live. There's a lot of fuses that aren't in there, so nothing is live. That is, it's just like this. That's just a service loop if I relocate my blinkers or the switch, I mean. Yeah, I'm just gonna be tidying up all this stuff, making it look good, routing it. Junk like this. I mean, I gotta shorten these things and really finalize a lot of this little stuff. But for the most part, I mean, I'm almost ready for carpet.